Apache server has been installed on Raspberry Pi. So we'll just try to access Apache server. So this is the default home page. Which is created once the Apache server has been installed. So we can edit this page to have whatever we want. So basically what is happening here is Raspberry Pi is acting as a server. So for that we installed the Apache Webserver, and then from the network we are trying to access that server. This IP address for that, and this is the default page as we mentioned. So we will see in the next videos how to edit this particular page. So as we know, Apache server is used vigorously because this is an open source web server and you can install it on your Raspberry Pi with the instructions that are provided and access this server from a remote location. Thank you.